Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to walk you through the rich habits you need to adopt to build wealth, secure your financial future, and start your millionaire journey. These habits aren't just for the ultra-wealthy. They're practical steps anyone can take. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to achieving financial freedom and making money work for you. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss any content on wealth building, personal finance, and how to earn more money. Now, let's dive in. The first habit that will set you on the path to wealth is setting clear financial goals. Wealthy people don't get rich by accident. They set long-term and short-term financial goals and work persistently towards achieving them. Whether it's saving for retirement, purchasing a home, or starting a side hustle, having a goal is essential. One great strategy is to set SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Start small. Aim to save your first $1,000 or invest $500 in the stock market. These small wins will motivate you and create momentum over time. Regularly review and adjust your goals based on your progress. The next key habit is adopting a millionaire mindset. Building wealth is not just about making more money. It's about how you think about money, success, and failure. Wealthy individuals view money as a tool to create opportunities, not just something to spend. They are strategic with their finances and are always looking for ways to grow their money. If you're stuck in a paycheck-to-paycheck mindset, it's time for a shift. Rather than focusing on what you can spend, focus on what you can save and invest. The rich understand that wealth isn't just earned, it's built through careful planning, saving, and investing. Which brings us to the next habit. One of the most important rich habits is investing. Whether it's in stocks, real estate, indexed funds, or your own business, investing is essential to long-term wealth. The earlier you start, the better, because of the power of compound interest. Even small investments made consistently can grow into substantial wealth over time. When investing, remember the rule. Time in the market beats timing the market. Waiting for the perfect moment can cost you valuable growth opportunities. Start small, even if it's just a few $100s, and gradually increase your investments as you become more confident. Consistency is the key to reaping the benefits of compounding returns. Another vital habit of the wealthy is diversifying their income streams. Relying on a single source of income is risky in today's volatile economy. By creating multiple streams of income, you increase your financial security and wealth-building potential. This could involve starting a side hustle, investing in dividend-paying stocks, or buying rental properties. Diversifying your income means that even if one stream slows down, you're still bringing in money from other sources. Consider starting a blog, launching a YouTube channel, or getting into affiliate marketing to generate passive income. Multiple streams of income not only offer protection, but also accelerate your journey toward financial freedom. Wealthy people are intentional with their money. They don't just earn more, they manage what they have carefully. One of the most important rich habits is to budget effectively. Budgeting isn't about limiting yourself. It's about being in control of your finances. Create a zero-based budget where every dollar is allocated, or try the 50-30-20 rule. 50% of your income goes to necessities, 30% to discretionary spending, and 20% to savings or investments. Track your spending and adjust your budget as needed. Sticking to a budget will not only help you save money, but it will also reveal areas where you can cut back and allocate more toward your financial goals. A common misconception is that wealthy people spend extravagantly. The truth is, most self-made millionaires live below their means. This rich habit allows them to save and invest more of their income, growing their wealth over time. Just because you have the money doesn't mean you should spend it. Avoid lifestyle inflation, which is the tendency to increase your spending as your income rises. Instead, Save or invest the extra income. By living below your means, you'll have more money to put toward your financial goals. Small sacrifices today can lead to massive rewards tomorrow. Rich people are always learning. They understand that investing in themselves is one of the best ways to grow their wealth. Make a habit of self-education. Whether it's reading books, attending seminars, or taking online courses, always be looking for ways to increase your knowledge. With platforms like Udemy, Coursera, and YouTube, you have access to countless resources that can help you learn about investing, personal finance, and even starting a business. The more you learn, the more opportunities you'll have to apply that knowledge and increase your income. If there's one thing that separates the rich from the average person, it's self-discipline. Building wealth requires consistency and patience, and that means making smart financial decisions every day. Whether it's sticking to a budget, investing regularly, or avoiding unnecessary spending, discipline is key. Wealthy people avoid bad debt and make strategic decisions when it comes to credit. If you struggle with overspending or impulse buying, try implementing the 24-hour rule. Wait 24 hours before making any non-essential purchase. This will help you determine if the purchase is something you really need or just a temporary want. Your network is your net worth. Wealthy people understand the importance of building relationships with others who share their goals and aspirations. Make it a habit to network with like-minded individuals who can help you grow. This could be through professional events, social media, or mastermind groups. Surround yourself with people who challenge you to become better. Engage with mentors, peers, and other professionals who are where you want to be. These relationships will expose you to new opportunities and keep you motivated to reach your financial goals. Now that you know the rich habits you should start today, it's time to take action. Building wealth is not an overnight process. It takes time, discipline, and consistency. But if you start small and stick with it, your efforts will compound over time, leading you to financial freedom. Bonus tip: stay patient. The journey to wealth is filled with ups and downs. You may face setbacks, but don't let them discourage you. Learn from your mistakes, adjust your approach, and keep pushing forward. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video if you found these tips helpful. Drop a comment below with your favorite habit, and subscribe for more content on wealth building, personal finance, and how to make money work for you. I'll see you in the next video.